Oko kan no be abontre me security analyst.
Okay.
Yeah, ma lances were fine. People school where no we anka be condemn that act no obetina beka say ye ne kodi Burkina Faso for no hye. Etuotu on hye wo ade a ebo wotu mo na ewura mu oku Gaddafi. France for no hye bibi. Ye dada ni ku. As matter of fact, when you aba, ho de ye entwa ye.
Okay.
O man penyin oba father for all. They just sworn in president and then the security stood there.
Okay.
Folded their hands at their back and allowed the Burkina Faso president to appear before him with a gun on his waist. No matter can't say security analyst, mobile commenting will say the CDS should be charged.
Okay.
If we say to become the president. Mama Nana, at that moment, one more acceptance a year urban. Shamami Casacra and no smart settlements and no bread. Malaria channel. I'm a young in a guru. Yamana, I have to pin my mean of what tunnel. And Oban Oba swear in. Papa swear in. Nantia Papa, you are pro by it. Yeah, President Obama dollar from Adriane Press Yaba from. I'm a member of the Brahms from Warrior Timia Warrior. I'm man for their free education. What to no me? I'm as I say, what TV no matter what kama. Mobama, Burkina Faso, and you walk on. Ghana, she gets in your smart. Me boss speaker of parliament about Yanni Yasiadi and Mamancho Yan Sano.
Okay, Papa.
Messima de no cray, net me say, Nabayaki. Me would not make a good legacy. Massam Makabia Yansam. Video will comment a month for comment.
Okay.
Chama Burkina Faso President Nebachia, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ghana President. Speaker Alerte, security no man, yes, I say. When you talk of Burkina Faso, it means great men and women on the land or of the land.
Okay.
Yes, or Alerte was there. Sanko Fui. Think the moment you can speak of parliament, everything that at the end. Baby, we are very good. Some panic is security. Like a Moko president.
Okay.
Moko, I let him also on the security analysis or be any man who I did Bankudia. I didn't Savia and a ma, no for no, Nagana for people. Any woman who offer for me. But pay bra, President Yamian Pata. Now, Coco, you know, said, yeah, oh, how guinea I no, then suffer hard the tear. And you are going to say,
Abusia Mwakwaba Edibatu Mashji so they say I had a political issues, Sunday story, breaking news, and I be nice and not yet bro. After say a dear man, John Dramani Mahama, AC Akunyatu, and same Bebrina, and I able a train, Nipa Bakwa, and then Kasai at your campaign, me about and then train Komoya, so abanevi, yes, presidency, as I'm but now with Papa, Yediman Peniful phrases to say and no simple Makanampo, inauguration, of course, on your quine Epobiana, and no Tabusia Kamahona, any prophets. Eric Camponsa, I want a man as a computer man, and fine go to train and she says. Prophets Eric Camponsa. Papa Mwakwaba.
Your good sometime. Which you was a whoop on the boom for the
Papa David.
Said it was some with your son, man of some with them. You put now Bufua. And then I was in country.
Papa, fee share official pants.
I think come to you. That's a bit. I said, the one she said, was I here to me?
Okay.
Then I'm church, mamma.
Okay.
For heart and her, Cacassa say, for I say, Frantoma, you say, and Diana, Ama, Mono, Enyano,
okay. But any the Yamis were Pijausa. Papa say, young fire come on to Chester. Yes, share your mum penny, John Dramani Mahama. Akunya didn't now see inauguration a call for fair fit. I mean, it can say, Unya could pay more.
That's it. Didn't I? Your mamma, big congratulations. Why are they? They see anybody.
Okay.
No, Kumasa, because I need my mamma and us. But I'm feeling our TV so and social media.
Okay.
The inauguration service was one of the best amongst all.
Okay.
Now the organization here set up,
Okay.
They did very well.
Okay.
and with a Ghanaian political history. No. Nanado, you inaugurating on 2017. No. Head of state by now only 15.
Okay.
But with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, they were 33.
Okay.
The tells you say, they're not a buying immediate past government. No matter the policies they blow now, neighboring countries
Okay.
Yeah, buy man. Burkina Faso president. What about to do or not? France, the
watching the sea.
The high end of society in your potential.
Okay.
Where action.
Okay.
They set up a coup d'etat and war. And from that hands, he became president.
Okay.
Into one more. But you send the life is at risk. But dear Kumiano, France for the colonial in one more to set England and as a land UK for now. At a year, come profit, also the France. By a lot of France for in Aqua. When he was our number of France of women. Yeah, Mamma Gaddafi. What is so? So we see in Brazil or Mono share, Nama share. Said the Roger on the men, Mamma no Cassa or Rasim. No one to bomb Bia.
Okay.
The no grass speech. The man, yeah, no one conscious opera.
Okay.
And then a man who say, John Dramani Mahama or Tabrofo. Remember Tabrofo, and you will cover of one amateur one. And she says, so alone, but no one can be asked no can of back. Now, what yes, the man and other don't go for the 7 Parliament in 1992. You were young, but nay, Benny, I meet you who up until another one will be an from Johnny. What you saw, I can come up. And you chair mono head of state no time we speak of parliament or mark choir no more quack church no everything was on point.
Okay.
The man here fed the heart of the entire country trooped to the immigration service. Not actually was say now by now to so let the echo.
Okay.
Like I said, oh my idea. Now I bought NDC party chairman. Yeah, Honorable Johnson Sweden Katia, where my contact.
Oh, okay.
Her name is Sister Friend of Puguna, 7 Cotiano Ba, and I was by MP. Now we're on Tano South constituency. Charles a sheep. It is a man or pass it. Yes, you think Katiana, Chim in your banner and die. And what I don't know, we have Mabina MP will cram a few more put it there. Number chocolate said the machine. The kind of cripple place was shipping on Yamdi. Honorable. I see a link at ya. The mount true. Yeah. Yes, I want by a bench in America. A Obama, Baby, you may not Peter. I'm the crop. Where the young man. So from a contribute my tin time. Sabe trumpet.
Papa, I feel yen share head of state. I walk kind once a minute. Yen share Burkina Faso president and a bar will buy ye. Near Ghana for air can set ye security and it's not a share ye. Ma will be a. What did so near to a bear booping? Etimidate to a shannon, and then the encourage a very room or mine and your crew. Now what's immediate to any firm while quachiam mampin say a coba say be bit guy or twin to ya, and Kagani Kitani Shrimpy, a honor or Jenison.
Oba, what can be a piabonty? Me security analyst.
Okay.
I am our answers were fine. Because we are not, we are condemn that pattern. I'll bet you, like I said. Yene could you a Burkina Faso for a share. A true to say, and they are able to win a would more poor Gaddafi. France of one is say, baby, get that done you put. As a matter of fact, when you are back, what do you enter yet?
Okay.
Oh, my penny, obey father for all. They just sworn in president. And then the security stood there, folded their hands at their back, and allowed the Burkina Faso president to appear before him with a gun. on his waist. Number can't them say security analyst, mobile commenting will say, I am a ya. The CDS should be charged.
Okay.
If we say to become the president, Children, the money, Mamma, and Nana, and that one will ya. One more acceptance a year urban. Shama make a sacra and then those must have to say no one bread. Malaria channel. I'm a young in a guru. Yamana, I have to pin my mean of what tunnel. And Oban Wabba swear in. Papa swear in. Nantia papa you quite pro by it. Yeah, President Obama dollar from Adriane Press Yaba from. I'm a member of the Brownson warrior to me. I'm man for their free education. What to no me? I'm as I say, what TV no matter what come. Mobama, Burkina Faso, and you walk on. Ghana, she gets in your smart. Me boss speaker of parliament about Yanni Yasiadi and Mamancho Yan Sano.
Okay, Papa.
Messima de no cure, net me say, Nabayaki. Me would not make a good legacy. Massam Macabia Yansam. Video will comment a month for comment.
Okay.
Chama Burkina Faso President Nebachia, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ghana President. Speaker Alerte, security no man, yes, I say. When you talk of Burkina Faso, it means great men and women on the land or of the land.
Okay.
Yes, or Alerte was say, Sanko Fui. Think the moment you can speak of parliament, everything that at the end. Baby, we are very good. In some panic as a secretary. Like a Moko president.
Okay.
Moko, I let him also on the security analysis or be any man who I did not could ye. I didn't say, and a ma, no for no. Nagana for people. Any woman who offer for me. But pay bra, pray. President Yamian Pata. Na Coco Gino said, yeah, oh, Hagini, I no less suffer hard the tea. And you are going to say, I can't buy from the who said, Madam Young Comse, the Nimin of Bashankum, who said, John the man, Mamma, or Wyan.
Okay.
Or Brennan was. Who to for
okay.
Yeah, you told from one farm, mere making, me and a Massa, and there was a this year chimney. They better say, this year chimney. Because me, my name, a good ground car, I need to say, I always throw my bomb at the ratter. But just say, be a camera. No, head of a says, next speaker of parliament, we're too intelligent. What me I draw my attention, say, no much in a house. I better say, say, no matter my new free Kumasi, never get up for the salad or maybe was there. Now there's a body. Then you hear me, Bunko, the papa. Obukro too, aquatin to the call. Remember my tantagram
was so wapa.
What's over? You know, they had to some maybe. And I said, it's a voice for William Modimay. Come on, to that here. Come on. I said to say, come on, go and go, man. Also, we had to say,
to be unchained, Papa.
Oh, my own. Oh, my
Papa,
yes, it's a Moka be a true. No one has my bed in her. Lady and baby, a penalty. Almost yet, plus my friend, Gowder. Said you. Never met Yapa. Which was a number for mammy.
Papa, now make us say, young shed diplomatically, send it if you move some comma, what would in it say, your mum penino. I and I say, eh, be a sunset Burkina Faso, Niger, any Mali, one more Yamaya, or would it so net to President Ebu, and Tipapana Bets National, a namsan, a Yanomoye, and it's a man equals Nepal sanctions are mine, to copper or sign Kawamuni now boom. As I don't crochet echoes Kubata and I say, and Nunti, and not one side friend to me, a coyeno, a Tressa beer or pursue a cow move to my crime as I didn't see it.
Yeah, catch you once.
Okay,
you cabin. But you said 2 muscle. Obama no pocket aswa. The yin so Alabama made any Adriana Mediana me too. Me padia do I ask. And the minya. A bema mania up at the society. ama me wura fi me krom kwan na se nya so dia ma ye
waje gu
ma je gu mu na sa na me fro bi fro ma ye busy me bom pai na je san koye kosia ba ya no ma nya fa so bia wo so de ya de na koye gondo ene se felese na me so a yo so mu ya ka ye ka tuwa behanimu afiri ne manso atra security for ejegina ho
okay
COP for DCOP eba ACP chief supo eba be sit down eno omo so a omo le kokosi brigadier general jegina ho na kwabra ne mu afa ni panu after police fu afrako ni ye cha no yanko gina ye president nchese ye bo no ban ho bai de se bibi kono se nyame pasa ma akwo kwoto hye no so a wona ne impression na ne turu kura kan ba foforo no kwa no mu ja se ne sai ye president ne beko obi a wagina ho ekura se wobedo man ni nyina do nipa bia wonya nyiyimu na wo ma wo ye ne bia nto o man na se ko ba se wan hwe masade ya made a ene won ne begi so die ne beto so na wo haw ne aso twen no wagina mu agi ama man ni nyina ba paya wo so mbusie no mu gina wo de musagu mochi se mu yesu jafo mu mate me nko bomi na mu nwe bitri ho yeti wo wele kura no ene mahini a mekodi no ebe kodi hina mitimi nya bitri wo muso ba yeti wo wele mamia
eno ano
ya no ma tire mu se Lawrence pan so na ewe tiri a mo ba kan mati ye wo democratic ntumu so jafo no de bi na mu ye no ankoyi mo mra bontene mo ba kire na security analyst obi afa fo so security analyst ya chaka sa de mo kora ho na ma mo sa de mo ko no fa hene mpesa na number 0244 57 1050 about talk me so we to so number ni nyam
papa yen hye wo kan say e de condemning ni security ni ye se wo ma anya de so mo hye ye ma sa ne ye ne course no ye nya wo nua sofo no bi so wo mo so e ka say Ghana for cassette ya say o ma hwa ma Burkina Faso president e de to ababewura akochira mampani na ono o twi to no watinya ye mpunto wo ne krom wo mo ma ntwi to no wo mo ntimi anya hwe na de say kwakoye say o pem MPP aban ne ko ne kutia sa wo ti say sofo bi ka asem bi say ya o je ne sen
ba de sofo no busa na hwe wasina so da wi sa sofo no bi e ka sa no nye patadan professor de dade esi ho na the blocks to ase de jense gu so wo si dan mo ba wo so da 10 plot 2 o ba mpa cho e de dan nye blocks
ai papa
yes 10 plot me nya sengo e kra nti sofo na obejira o kan sa se o ba ba yo twam akutia sa so no nya aban wo so a o na akutia ze o de yefo na mam nti sofo bebu a no comment no nyamuta se wo si wa so dai ana fe na wusi ya na o de ne mpata dai ti ya je na ade abo o ba sa e bi o so wala che o ko enyam ye enyam ye no ma ba bia ma chi ni di me he aha o se fi ba gugure ni ya nti obi aso de e che ba bia e matches nti sa ankofo nyina de me de me pese beto mu dini
okay
adesua na wo fom
okay
I don't move with low class people when educationally you are a lower class you know not take that yeah comment say the full act was uncalled for.
Okay
The president shouldn't be allowed with a gun to the stage. The security never acted professional.
okay
Okay. Womanyitum no mra me pachew. Ade ba ko ha Ghana no say. Obinya dibra bi a me pachew no ya na ye di. The security should come out with a press statement. It said the call him ankoyi. Omo kan ye be kan not so man kan me obitama me kan le aka ne tell munchimintum ko papa no hu na me kura me nya president be ya so na me gina ha amafo ba mo bai yesu na suafo nam omo ko ba bia ko kanya me ase ne Peter woto se ne ha na se ka hye Marcus fi ba bi be gini no isi kan twa Marcus aso yesu hwe ya wo se Peter fase ka ne hye yesu an ka se won tuntun wo se fa hye no dia so mu eta je se foforo ba se twa je se yesu pe bo no ba ya na John Dramani mama na bo no ba this are my basis. John Dramani mama as president should be well protected by the security that is is why you people are employed. We pay you with our taxpayers' money. And I'm entitled to speak out. School now, but the Muslim Montias, I won't make it. Macama. Yeah, papa. You go, Mamma, you want to you. Doctor Francis is so much. Now I'm a simple told Doctor Blue. Me, I'm here, that's a mere idea. Francis is not about 4 6.
Eh, Papa, see, so I shall say, okay.
Eba.
Okay.
Far away, cotton and answer. First on the threaded, they say about 270.
Oh, okay.
We take a crack.
It's a Kaeba.
Eba, when you say, make kind his excellence over here on the vice. Mamma Docono, embassy, 150% that's 2 6. Now, importations, I can't say importations more now. One more cracker, no more pea at the ban, one more cat it. Burkina Faso, I cry in the back. Wabra assassin na ni atna ebinum de galam say wabra Ghana ya sa se kra ye kama se Burkina Faso awia wokọ ha wotimi sabre wotimi finance form so ya na tie wotimi dua enyadoa ene je ne ntoos meba emwo mo no ba no mo no abasisi ye sika no mo de border no mo de asesa se fa ne dollar no mo de kọ na ye to man mu kotoka na obi wotasa no o ha no no abo dollar ba be the cities nti am panyin to sa no nyina mu no hwe yi na ba mbofo so no modwuma yi na mamu ntimi nkoso na se enquire da ta no sabinom
papa ye hwe wo kasa no ka se unyimi na wa hye nkom abatu ya yetu ye enkom hye bebre na ene eku fom na nke nim se ye komo hye nkom yetu aba ne wie de nkasi na so answer na ye de man penin John Dramani Mahama eba besi no nkom hye ni bi sign by e bi tre fast na ndc fo no nye e bi tra kwantra ye nyembu akonwa na ye de ne kwakotena so fi se fia ka no e bi so kwa tre se afuna na obeso mu de asai no onfa ne nsam ye nsom se beye no betimi akota mu no ye nyim se ye man penin na ka ne temba ko a wo ba betwa ye duru se ye de ne isi so no eno na ade na Ghana fo ni wo mu se ye hwe se asem asofo ne ka no eya na politicians no wo mu tia na ampa ye hu se wo de ne saba ko de kan so afuna nim e de kire ye wie na asese ne bodyguard so bia sa ko prompte no e na osan de ne sam ye bi besom e ti se na ye ba ko emi no de ne nyina so ye bi sa se e benya insunsu anso wo na ko nyana wo ba be de so ana
obapa anyende baka ma ga su yi kashi azu ni maduma na ma anyende na ye wan John Dramani Mahama oba so afra mo bi shai
okay
we can one impress ani someone on the late president John Ibasatamers professor in law nyam fa na kensi et one free mono one of the predecessor into one man after the ka shai eno wachi eno wasa so ba be shai 2012 eno wachi eno 2016 olusu ya 2024 for the aba protest into one woni na fa na mo so dada
okay
and his excellency John Dramani Mahama we nyam so ni makola ba akoto ni fa na mere owusu mere kona assembly of God work ball no man maybe me mere owusu na mo na ko bai o say his excellency say ya ma umra saban be president no ba batuto
okay
it's also speaker they were John Dramani Mahama wa so it speaker out ye nyina ye tibi na fekeke nti wono ni akopon dada e mo obi anya no nyam fa ma no ni aba satra ma do wo yi na patashe doka ogogoro ne san wo do wo bi san wo enu we be hu obi sa so fo bebre oha omo ni su twa omo se ya bebre so ya de
papa
wonu nro
wa bo trama do wa bo doka na le se wo kire sa so fo wo mu num bia sa no makasa
bebre no Opa Ghana Police Service and other security agencies no and to search say so for be bebre kwa e wo kem na han san she ase any boot
and na chere no yonko
so for kwa wo da kem yonko bai te sam yana
there be send ya wo ka say asofo bebre ye na le se telefo say chere mo yonko na me nje oni suban
wo mo nche mo gimi na mo so me nyansa
eti papa obi ka say ne woni wo mo na eya woni ni pa ko ne be ya aju
nyam no mo na eye da mo bi hu mo no mo kokoye ne boko ma ne na mo so me ni ye hu me se trama do fi asachi so a sa nkwase ankom se e twada se fufuo doka menko ye advertisement sabi na ne apatase de ye local nye obi ade a na de obi di lebu akwa de akọ food and desert menko ka ma menko nya asem se ma okọ ko nya ya bu dwane ja me no se sa no ma won twemu a me say de ba ko so nyankwase ankom se de bia wo ga na o maye timi ifo nsan ko papa o sa de nchi o nyame ya tese tino bia ko gina kaso to butuo na awurade be masika to top fom na ko bia so ye kura nke wo he kura de nke bi de ka du ansa na mo isle go na
ya ba ye mra no ma fa
san kom se bi ni ho ye te Ghana ha eni ho second tamanto be hye adifu a me obi men hye nkom rofo gutinti ye ho adifu bia se ye ba be hye kantamanto nti ye nya adifu a mama bonti am kan che ba o me se ba o me a e we sunsumu nyame se menko usika na fato nti mi anka ya kan che che da ama brande sika wanya no di bi beto no ne ma wa se sika nyina e da ko de puko kuma se na ngi na ba ka tram se de ni nyina na nya he na sere asofrin sa wo wie bitters awo won sa ya di bitters gu hu isle gwam ko to sa asofu biteto won ya wie awo won sa ko ko ma daughter owo kura be be ko pa na pampa mu isle go o ti wa e be de na owo no on ko ti fi ngugu ho fefe o yo wa sa na e banti sa no me se tra ma do ntwamu na patati ntwamu na do ka ani sa fufu ntwamu na pito ntwamu ani subrie bibri nkom se na entwa sha she nyame asem so bi show nkom tra nyame asem no wapui
nyansa wahin papa de na emunyansa wahin na ye bisa se ye mampini after say ye to aba ne ma na wo bedie ye nhwe atutra samo a ekoso Ghana mabunu ne ya wo moye omobora aban nyuma mu ne ade se omo koje government properties omo bo ho by the president no ene ne nanu ye esi wadwira se mabunu ne se obi akọ police station ye kwete ye ne se wagu nto motimi de tumi ahye wo mo nsam akọ police station apam wo mo ya che mo de atum etwegya to dan nim amana hyada ne nson no wei kire ye se Ghana yet time bomb so ana fi se ye hwe Burkina Faso president na wo bae na se ne ye boni din na se ne edom ne boje ne so na no so ye soja aban no aye se ka bibia kire ye se mabunu no hwe soja aban ana
ma men chemu mienu na de ye na men ka de ye na men condemn se mabunu bi di mra hye ensem akọ police station akọ attack police one day enye it has to be condemned memo say MPP NDC mabunu bi o mabanya ba no president aso in na ye ni mo binum ye recognize some of them are sent by the top hierarchies wonderful necessary o ko ba bi ko ya enye because MPP ba ko so the same thing mo ko amuni ba bi free ho so far as so mo nko toto abo mo bibia mu na se kwa o da se mbegam ko ansa na ya bo di se ko
papa sane obi ne boni di ma ne betena ho e na aban asesa e bi akata asem ni ade e bi anu e de ne fa
wo de sori ko ne pepa ho wi a ezo wa to du man so udini wo kan sem o wi le fikra
fa so ana
udini wo baby e twa ketia controller accountant general udini da ho to de ko e de empro different office ro na de odo ba ye ro nya fra kunyo so nti ye hwe yo omo ye sa che se bia na aban ajapade bo wa manfa kwotena computers na chi a wo mo eyi no ba bi fe fa go slim so mo di bi share so nti boys no enko ye bibia no ba so ba to de pi na breport ba ba ya eno ansa watena ha che ekon akọ ho nti konye se ntina mo kakra na miensa we omo nyamfo so bia o manko bu obia anko obia LPP fo ye pi ya ban ba ye bi ti say this for ya wo mo nyame we ha e na obi go bomba na 3 woni bomba na 3
papa be je ye nine
ti afidi je na fa na bomba na 3 the deep pan no na people for we ya na nkopam mo mti ho no mo ko tena so dan kom to ti afidi won say this for ba mo so we say ya be ti afidi ya tum yes
papa
ona mo ti afidi ko se wo do ha o ba ka me say yes e me na tu be ya be
onyi ni se ebra so se ye hwe sa issue we as on mine na ye jai se ye the politics ma abaya ba MPP ye bi NDC ye abai be sen asesa ebe koso akoso ba ne sa on mine no e na e bo ka fi se mo kwa koye mo nya ne boko o mo be se niam mo wi age se on mine sign pesika sign de se niam na wo ma say no
sa We haven't been necessarily a security analyst. Temperature ya mum me wo mo. Na mum so say sa no ma say the bend.
Okay.
Right. Let's say what Ghana hapa there.
Akoso sa. Papa wo kasa no ka se aban bai wo hu sakraye. Akoto dokunu kwa wo say ate so. Wo dey fani ye example. Mahama ebeba no. Promises a wo ye yen so obeyi betting tax fi ho, obeyi e-levy fi ho, any ade. Ye nya asofo be mana be ka che Mahama se sa taxes no pese wo yi free ho no. On hwe na wamfa ne nsa anka fi se eno ni income a ebeboa no amanati bi de bu oman no. Papa wonya Mahama na wutu no fo a obeka se onyi free ho ana se ebia eye ne promise awaye it is wo hwe na oyi free na emmoa na onkoso kite na so koso kite mu a emma na mamuo no onya 4 years na to aso
answer the kan ye be say na asofo bi ada electoral commission sell presidential advisors what the card amount so benyi nti be dey na makwa kan ti ye wa Jordan man mama na kasa antena ase no hwe say sofo na to oba ma no ana say sofo no so de ma na ma na be ye na won hwe de beboa no na wonye na manko antutu milika anko foro mampo pepo na mese amiri amto
Papa yenhwe wo se oba o the 60 ministers ene be ye adwuma wo mo so e kire se MPP aban no asai wo man na just be o man na kwa kodru no ano aye de ye ba o so say sa 60 ministers ya Mahama se wo de wo ba be ye adwuma no obetimi de wo maye na e so wo man no
Minyaba, everything is about technology and determination.
Okay.
Not here. IT machine kakra.
Okay.
Met me a research at Tibia. Met me a cover more than 60 million population.
Okay.
Ghana is with about 30.8 million. But next year, every county, maybe everybody say 50. Because every day be 18 years.
Okay.
Born now, almost so. Wonderful. One on one staff, so between 60 ministers, both deputies and then the ministers themselves. Fine. And now, I just listened to his speech. Or say, I'm not elected as a president alone. Each and every one is president.
Okay.
I am Ghana. You are Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian. You are Ghanaian. We should cooperate. Yangamum. Mayenge. This year, Kabudia, and I'm a Chileminia, your Dramani Mamma. Or better, when I answer yet to be or your president in me, can you say, as for the man, you want to be young. What's an answer? Okay. Or an uncle for our own woman. One cheer sound for 400 more than a software. Okay. Here, says Sumo, named Diabino. Yes, the man, one Sonia soften of Sakaka. Okay. Now, on share, and I'll be, there's a software, remorse of food, and so forth, removing. Well, I said, mate, it will be a spiritual fight. And this is well, and
pressure. I want a money one.
Oh, yes, I'll bring your pressure.
Okay.
We have governance and we have religious. Religious bodies do not, religious bodies do not mingle themselves with governance, except a council. As I'm here, I just want to end my credibility until I'm well invited.
Okay.
What was up from the other say? Who boom? Who the other people shamansa? When will be a one table of phone to me, the young Paginaho and conquer ye. I have distanced myself from some certain things. And I'm just doing the continuity. Say, the Nipper Bay met to us from Mako. Now, maybe a few books. Now, maybe about to say. Okay. I didn't think I'm of 14 come. My used to do one came with that. But there's a prophet which is so, which is so. It's not. Yes, you did one came with that. Because of our bad deeds. So now the president himself should sit down with the wife. Sorry, the vice president. Okay. Yeah, well, you're professor in English. You know, the confrontation from the party officials. What to say? Some can think, a young guy, but that guy, a one mother person, I cherish him most. What to say? Some George, you could talk about.
Okay.
These gentlemen had been fighting for NDC when they were, in opposition. At forcing. Look at how learned and suddenly people will sit here.
Okay.
Probably. Now, on you with the Kokuwa,
Okay.
Haruna intrusion. Speaker of Parliament. Well, very good. When the Juman is so. Now, I want to talk to no maybe. Now, I want to talk to ourselves from Bapana. One for more money, my dear. Mama, you do manage one more experience.
Okay.
What is a form from Sabatacho in court? A be idea. You are doing the man, Mamma, but suppress a man home. People are really was when I'm gonna buy it, was when I'm not buy it. You can't afford putting a little more side, lad, to trouble.
Yes, you need.
Oh, Mammy. Sister Minister say,
Papa, Nancy and I may be Sassan, say, and run it, say 60 minutes as now will be no. When you move to one name film, my ship bedroom, yeah, Parliament House. Oh, what to forcing the, to forcing, or yeah, Minister of Finance designated, they can't believe that. What Energy Minister designated, and also a John Jennifer, what only did that. And see, a Bimu has said 60 in Uncle Free Parliament House, as they say, and this, Omukita over 100 something parliamentarians. A Bema Ayed at the Amana and Shea at the Dija, any a Munebi or NDC, a bit Yama NDC, Ashia 2020.
you are John, the man, Mamma, has only one thing.
Okay.
His tenure in office lies in only 4 years. Apart from that, and this Yabano entrance may cast a yacht and probing Krumuna.
Okay.
So, Shadia Sarah, the man, Mamma, the next person should be the vice president. Yes.
Okay.
The past what Ghana force on and to Abamoba.
And I can maybe say also to Ghana, I already said more Baba president.
And a part of more Baba president. Tell us a honest and duty for me.
Okay.
Toto Tomo maybe share. Problem grooming on your command. Now, about the time, beer. One more Bashasia project, I'm a Nippon, who is a say, now man, this is not for 8 years.
Okay.
So, yes, I read your mum, the mum and mamma, Chino. Your mamma, no baby, but Ghana will be a care. I'm so about it, so the whole of pass my back.
Okay.
To a mama focus on uncle, and Mamma Papa. No one yegas house of for you. But who will pay you?
Okay.
Every time, Bino, Opa sorry, right on the money, Mamma. Man, you see, I go one man, not like a water, a man who was of his ability. To 2 million medium and quay.
Okay.
I have probably know how so many I didn't mean. Must have to see parliamentarians or so. When you watch them, can I don't know for hospital. Or want to one about my bumpire and walk on General Yama.
Okay.
Dan said, so I'm at the Parliament House. Dan said, President is ya, no, I will bear that.
Okay.
And the master, woman of focus on and put the amount. And fear never is here.
Okay.
Oh, dear, for me, I didn't transfer China, brother, I know out you. And fear none of what you.
And our Travis and Co.
Now, what you have a simple. Okay. 1 year is for Fulubino. Now, on per more at least. Only a broad mandate because so much immediate. The Binom, a boy, I win.
Okay.
I say you should know now.
Papa now will send this form penko for being gumium. Set 2028 best sense on ye. A dibia shall say PP. Ya yati ura say don't get your din womb. Yati Pabna, your papa blood to 14 womb. Yati a man penny or to secret in ya. I will yet cement. Ibrahim Mahama, no, Yati the womb said that she be a banner say NDC. Epe flag bearer, some penny fool. A bit near Pakujina, Haruna Idris Moon in a PP say, one month almost about also says uncle for ya. A dinner PP who move wine and there was a capano bits in the Diamond 2020.
Say this for him, say, Professor Joshua be a man. On part of the better Japanese. Professor Joshua Allen, Kokoro.
Okay.
Honestly, you are commanded for us when you. Dear, about we call yes, I go up and you be. Yes, you can be a commanded for power. What's up with you? I was to be. Yet if you agree.
Okay.
Joshua Allen, but say, or not.
And I need to phone Fanning. I say, Papa, yes,
me buy John says, you think it here, or am I contact?
Okay.
What politics as a power? Now, I have on trust and on to for.
Okay.
Of a president, I met the be a man of
Papa, they ain't now never.
Na say ma konta.
So we ya wakonta no enu dan chen wo beso mo minus so that.
Wo ya de anya meka. Wona me be ko. Nti na be ya de police for be di machi ama me na so so kire sa ama mo kire sa. Na ti me ko tum ni ese kire wa gere democracy. Nti na ma mo kwa ma mo mutime kasa mo bi kasa. So far as we issue threats. Post threat e wo ana se bia wonya de be a treasonable offense sa bantugo mutime kan wase bia na meku me apart from that no se mutum bia no okay che wa gere ese ne nkete eye but what take care of one
okay
na me am so me president so one take it no mo you sure that be it's a good choice na da chi bia no sabe je so a good choice
oh okay
can do so also take ne bambra mbremu a or good lawyer also akasa that be a herona let me speak of parliament said that be a speaker we eye esi from one herona do so yes herona do so you know as a speaker you should have the legal background the herona do so is a next speaker of parliament if this parliament they can say it dissolved
okay
yes
papa fe yen hwe ye education sector no ade ba ko a NPP bo hu da role ye pa any free SHS na nyomo kan de ti a ndis ne se omo ba esanse nyomo no mo de ba yinti no omo betwem ama Ghana fo ho akire wo mu aban ba yi enkomo a ekoso e wo free SHS ne bi kwa kire se schools na aduane kura nyi ho eno nti yentum ebe so kire se mahama wa fa free SHS ama wa promise Ghana fo free SHS enti wa base wo hwe na ontimi ni a ontwem papa osusu se free SHS NDC aba wonim se omo baje wo nimde e de afa free SHS wa omo ntwem ana wo mo nto aso
no stress excellence we will now for John German man wonim na wonim no ko twa free SHS no pe that will be the end of his government
okay
or implement another strategy now easy pressure e was so
okay
one man bonchen kanche o man ni na say me beto free SHS baby an bobere ni yakodu ni na metra ase ano mejeje jadwen no edekoye no onyaye pepepe wie so a wo ye wie a wo menya referendum and the be save no in governance referendum is much needed
okay
so far the political risk is concerned na contrast nothing why referendum
okay
because when you referendum when for be confrontations be and go stakeholders not for no ahwe na wo say sabofra no a na do de bae no wokọ na do fa aduane efa school fees ni nyina contrast nka say aduane ho ka no e bia aban ne befa
okay
school fees no awofo no nfa
okay
ana say free education no menye ni free
okay
na mum percentage say enkoma oman no na wo su nkoma say obi abeto ase because ye hunu ya beri no na kwame adinkra to da da ye nya hunu na do ko kwado na obi aba ko school da da
papa na obi aba ko schools na enye ne dodo mu se ne experience SHS ne bae ne dodo na ko
das and so nti ma kwa ma school authorities bebre ha omu wi aban no ma nuane ye de be ma mo fa akwada ba ko o school na school authorities bia ka podam se wo ya bebe kan a kire apodam sem Ghana Education Service they be fan say wonye education minister no one shut the mebe kan
okay
yen from crèche up to university I was not even asked to bring a cutlass none of the days that I spent in my school term was I instructed to bring a cutlass from crèche up to university tech UNT3 okay university why am a masters Oxford University
okay
political science we na me sabe ya great or kwada so
papa waben
mo na me sabe ko me masters of Sri Lanka ma wie mi law na ma wie and 2019 2022 me sabe ko articles our UCC political science
okay
be a professor ma wie me media school the certificate everything we I will show them to
okay
so for the best school for the first time on for Rick on for Sakai on for we on for Pray Magini na to pass school na fa nipa 800 no e bi afa nipa be 4000 e mo say so mo di sanu mo nyina wia what did they use them for at the end of the day no you call him for the laborers yeah employ laborers so ba se kan ke to bi re ke to bi no mo de ye the rest of normal man kran ba ye no e fa hene
okay
education minister look to that and
papa sad dey we enya ade e wo ho deda e bi wo ho a school no mo hwe school bi enwura wo ho dodo no wo mo beje secondary week school bi wo ho a ye si school dan e bi je age cement ni e ya ade a e wo ho deda asa wo ko school bi a e kan prospectus no ho a wo ho abesi ne ta fe e dey na asesa wo frɛ sɛ
me school na mo ko de na bi ni
okay
we e be chem prese and na ba kuma so kes college assist for Mama enter to university KNUST first level KN and you
KNUST
mo yes is KNUST now first level tech
okay
atasi and I'm we no that to so na mama to be am one day ne announce say ya mapai mo ba obi am papai and I said that's it beto udo we ana lo se kan ko fi
okay
tie mo say so room bay na praye bentwa kruwaba rich edekugu bahi
okay
opa ma security for headmasters various ones na there eno mo fi si akohun sana ma school fee ni kran ni ba da be fan ya ni bidi ko ye crusade e wo krobia ya fa no manso takulase
okay
me do baby na ka bi ase ni a lodu emo asichire anwa sadi nom eso na mbusa da ba sa de was madam bi a on the school fee on ayu was wo nyina yem fan kon so baby odoko no mo koto e kwa na bobo so on kire me anji to me ka bobo na da to ku adwa na aya papa be so yi dia ko be sine
wani achiri
timi dia me say ma be wa manofo isa when you boom se masua de won bata ho afamfam mata ho de nyama me nyanga so se na wo de wo nya you can back up the number is 0244571050 who is mas mama me
papa really that's na ka le kra na e komo no AC no yen hwe electricity sense mo a ekoso NDC for HRS NPP abomen ya bra wo mo kono o ma nya fanwo a de be power electricity na minti no say ye ka say ye Ghana betinya kodu nsom Ghana for HRS NDC for no boa eye excuse na say sample net ya enu tin ya to abama na mo hwe no mo nye na fe de enkomo nesi
o jide pa ase rojo damani ma ko tena fie nwotwe no sabe wo hwe abusue wo nya hwe hunu pa
okay
ni nyina ye political stock na do dan ko for you fra ben ye rojo damani ma o fra ben eye 2016 ye wo ho transition team no e bra wo kokko hwe Jubilee House wo no ko ye na krata e bi da wo ye bia to ye se e be ka nansa na do na ka yo eni euro safuma fum na ridi kire ye se me boa de o so boa no se won hwe documents da e be ka nansa ma ya sore hin no de wura John Dramani mama e se de at that time a the contract e dia ma mo se wodi yaporo sa no ka yo na me twa mane na me tsa me ke mo me lezo papa bi V8 na o de ba na e be da me reche na se le so mo so ba no ka bia ye nya ma wo mo o mo ne tsoro e so mo mi re nya no
okay
ze ba ko de wo si se ya enya fi ye hia me pa no se amanfo afa ba ja pa de sisi ya bana da pa sika ya nkoje no mo di gold o kire radio so le TV so ya nkonkode mo so a mo so di amanfo la ku se dwane na mo ba bi sisi ye nya ya nkonkode mo ma ho do sika ele gugu mo fi na omo banks ahodo so ya gugu bie ne bie die nchedifo mo nkonkode na eno ne betimi abo na mo se dum so de so trust dum so baba de a pantropi Ghana for ba chena we dum say on come because the pen so the generator ba is a generator I think be it must say the generator be so mo de bia e kuro no ya mia to so beto so mia
Papa Edas. I will see a Prophet Eric Amponsa and the Nation Common. I want to run a computer man. No, I watch say the man penny John Dramani Mahama was somewhat pencil. Now, as soon as yet, we can Sufu and a generator soon yet. I feel ye perceive a better than send yet a crow, me a money woman Ghana for your home. And yes, idea, and there was some ever sign I she pa. Too much GH and I will never saw she must so say, the better subscribe my page, not to any other man for some upload the aba. Onsa ebetinyaka all the social media handles on so called a too much GH. A hono, a ya like no share, I'm a winner being so any beation mesro, a ya jaw comment so a video I say from my dark gold, any idiom just so, my crown.